Hello again, it's Charlie here. I thought I'd add my tuppence worth or 2 cents worth on tips and hints on obtaining tools, materials, etc. or just useful items for a reasonable price. And to that end I went to the dollar store. Now this is something you guys from the UK should think about if you come over to Canada or the US on vacation, is bring an empty case and go and visit the dollar store. I picked up this really nice little box for $3 Canadian. And as you see, it's locked here with these two flaps. And then inside, you get all these little pieces that you can put in to the particular size and shape that you require for the various components that you like to store in. So I thought that was a great deal for $3. And it's somewhat less than 8.5 by 11 inches, but really very, very good. Clear, and you can lock it with these little flaps. And then at a place called Michael's, an arts and crafts store, I picked up this really nice box. It's 12 by 12. Once again, it's got a couple of flaps on it, and it can hold all kinds of items. And in fact, you can store coaches in here in their original boxes and get 6 or 7 all the way across. And here I've got this 12 by 12 plastic box, and inside there you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coaches, 2 diesel locomotives and an Evening Star, and room for something else in there. So that's perfect for storage. Just a couple of little flaps, and then underneath the table where I've got others. Now this will allow me to catalogue what I have. I can number the boxes and list the contents and then put it all on a spreadsheet. So I've got quite a number of these, and I'll probably end up having to get more. Plus I'll get some larger boxes there with running stock in them. So look for those if you live here in Canada. $5 each at Michael's. And you know, if you're coming over on vacation, remember to bring an empty case. Hope you find this useful. Bye for now. So back at the dollar store, for $1.75 Canadian, I picked up this great little tweezer set. Various types there that will come in really handy. $1.75. And for cleaning your locos, your coaches, just getting rid of the dust and grime that may have accrued, for $1.75 again, I got this nice little nylon brush. There you go, $1 a bottle for this small bottle of goo. It's 59 millilitres or 2 fluid ounces. Not sure how long that would last, but you know, I bought 2 of them, which I thought was a great deal. So once again, for those living in North America, you would know about this, but for those of you in the UK who do come over to North America on vacation, make a point of going to the dollar store and places like Michael's or other large art and craft stores, kind of big box stores, because you'll find endless numbers of items that you will find extremely useful in your modelling activity. Anyway, I hope this has been of use, and we'll catch you next time. Hopefully we'll have other Bargoon items. Bye for now.